Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We've got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. Man, this thing is nice. It's a 2017 Ram 2500 heavy duty. It does have the 6.7 liter engine in it. It's Cummins Turbo Diesel. So we'll go ahead and do a walk around here. It does have the tow hooks on the front. Tinted windows on it. You can see it does have the aftermarket wheels and tires. Tires, tread, it looks to be virtually brand new. So we'll do our walk around here. Crew cab. This truck does have backup camera on it, and I'll show you where that camera is right there. So get away. Let's go ahead and drop the back on this. Okay guys, the tailgate's down, so if you got something you want to pull, you're ready to go right here. Nice tinted windows in the back. So already set up with your receiver hitch. So let's continue our walk on the driver's side. While I'm right here, let me show you these running boards. Man, those are nice. Your mirrors, they are heated, and they do have the turn signal that is built into it. Right here, if you can see the emblem for your heated mirrors. So there's your Cummins Turbo Diesel, heavy duty. Let's go ahead and hop in the back, see what it looks like. Okay, we have a two-tone gray cloth interior. Show you the headliner. Down here, you've got a two-tone collar door panels. Okay, and up front, do a quick look right here, view. Go over, show you your door panel here. Now on the driver's seat, it is power. You have manual controls on your passenger. Lighting control, your dash. Let's go ahead and hop up inside. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the inside. I'm getting ready to start the truck up. This is a Bighorn trim package. So it does have some very nice options with it. So I'll back away here, show you everything while it gets configured. So get in here a little bit closer. You can see the mileage on this, 108,912 miles. So given the fact it's a diesel and it's the 6.7 Cummins in it, don't be too concerned with that mileage. It does have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone right here, and controls for your settings to be displayed on your instrument gauges. Cruise control right here. Get over here, your rotary dial to lock in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Now get over here in the meat and the potatoes over everything. I've got it on the climate control now. Now one thing, ladies and gentlemen, it does have heated seats on both seats, so I just turned those on. As you can see, it is cold outside. But I've got the climate control up here right now. You can click this. It'll go to your radio control. It does have the ability to get SiriusXM radio. It does hit the navigation button, and you can go on here, view your map. So it's got navigation built into it. I'm going to drop it down in reverse, show you the backup camera. So that is really nice. This truck's got some really nice features on it. Your climate control right here, dual climate control. You do have auxiliary for your electronics right here, 12 volt right down here, two cup holders, and storage compartment right here, and a whole lot more right there. See what it looks like in back. Okay, here you go. In the back, you got two cup holders. Armrest does fold down, and I mean, leg room is incredible. You could get a 7-foot basketball player in here, I do believe. Of course, I can't verify that about the basketball player, but you get what I mean, and there's a lot of room in here. But this is it, ladies and gentlemen, our 2017 Ram 2500. So ladies and gentlemen, newest addition to our family. If you have any questions, you want to come up, take a look at this, take it for a test drive, love to have you up here. Got a lot of banks are willing to finance. We got all kinds of lenders for different credit. Good credit, average credit, bad credit. We can probably get you hooked up. So anyway, with that, I hope that you have a great day. Bye for now.